From the moment the C.I.D. aircraft smashed down onto the desert floor, the model accident was gone. The plane struck the ground somewhat short of the target, with the left outboard engine low and yawed to the left. It remained yawed to the left as it slid into the wing opening cutters. The first cutter entered the right inboard engine at about the 7th stage of the compressor. It slashed through the engine, broke free, then tore through the underside of the wing, inboard of the engine, releasing a massive volume of fuel. At approximately 1/10 of a second after impact, the first ignition occurred on the inboard side of this engine. The highly unlikely had happened. Post-crash examination of this engine showed compressor rotation stopped instantaneously. Why ignition occurred requires a description of the damage caused by this impact. Anyone who witnessed the C.I.D. test or saw the televised shots of it will probably have the same question. Why did the AMK-fueled plane have such a large fire? The only other way for AMK to fail and then burn is to give it an intense, continuous ignition source. In the C.I.D. test, the destroyed engine provided just such a source. It stayed with the fuselage throughout most of the slide and was located right at the fuel release point. So, how bad was the fire? Viewing the C.I.D. from impact to final rest shows the external fireball about the fuselage lasted roughly 9 seconds. During the controlled impact demonstration, large amounts of liquid AMK evidently flowed over the fuselage, keeping the temperature relatively cool. Because of the lower heat, the AMK fireball did not burn through the fuselage and ignite the interior materials, even though insulation had been removed to install test instrument lines.
See them rockets in the sky. Somewhere there's someone steady staring upwards as they die. Some folks is frowning, doubting, but we'd never play around. Spike a holy ball of fire from the heavens to the ground. Yes, we're looking for a crowd. Rockets in the sky. Yes, we're looking for a crowd pleaser. Crowd pleaser. Live like the 4th of July. Beautiful and deadly like a devil femme fatale. Got people across our nation screaming, can you hear us now?
Can you hear us sound?
No stranger propaganda, we're all suckers for a show.
Suckers for a show.
Grab a weapon at the door and leave behind your moral code. Yes, we're looking and we're all in a daze. We're all down in the valley, just living through the haze. Seems history is ended, time to cash in those chips, but you ain't seen nothing yet. The fuse has just been lit. It's a road runner, air grabber, out on a cruise. It's a working man, a rich runner, yeah, it's burning up the blue. She my kissing cousin, wild-hearted, but her aim is true. Top of a window, flashing my baby's howling at the moon. Yes, we're looking for a crowd pleaser. Lit up like the 4th of July. Looking now, baby, see the lights up in the sky.
Lights up in the sky.
Looking now, baby, see the rockets in the sky.